In this unit, we will discuss another important quantity of electrical circuit, which is electrical voltage. To move charge or group of charges, some energy is required. When the charge is moved, we consider some work is done. So the voltage is the energy required or work done to move electrical charge point A to point B. It is also known as potential difference or electrical potential between the 2 points. Mathematically, voltage is ratio of work done with respect to charge. Capital V represents constant value of voltage. Small v represents instantaneous value of voltage, which is equal to differential of work done with respect to charge. Volt is the unit of voltage. 1 volt is the potential difference of voltage between 2 points when 1 joule of energy is used to move 1 coulomb of charge from one point to another. Now we understand the concept of voltage. We can do a small calculation. If 50 joules of energy are required to move 10 coulombs of charge, what is the voltage? Now you can use the voltage equation to calculate the voltage. Here I will pause for a while for you to do your calculation. I hope you have done your calculation. So here voltage is ratio of work done with respect to charge. So 50 joules of work done is divided by 10 coulombs of charge. So 50 joules is the work done or energy which is required to move 10 coulomb of charge from one point to another. So the voltage present is 5 volt, or the energy required in terms of voltage or the potential difference is 5 volts. Now in this section we have briefly discussed the concept of voltage in electrical circuits.